Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cherry Mac. Thanks for joining me once again and welcome to this Kikuyu channel. Thank you for being part of this channel, for choosing this channel. Thank you so much. I want to appreciate everyone and I want to welcome every new subscriber and everyone who is about to click that subscribe button. I want to say thank you in advance. Thank you. So without wasting much time, my name is Cherry Mark. Welcome to our Kikuyu channel. This is where we learn Kikuyu. This is where we get to know Kikuyu basics. We are not here to write, we are here to speak and also to know how we can articulate ourselves in Kikuyu. Remember, it's only the basics. We are not here to do the advanced Kikuyu language. I am not a professional teacher. I'm just a volunteer. I am just volunteering and I'm someone who loves Kikuyu. I do it with passion and I am so proud about my Kikuyu culture and even my Kikuyu background. That's why I am here to teach you my language and to make sure that you can articulate yourself in Kikuyu. So thank you so much for choosing me and even for the fact that you are my community, and yeah, I am happy about that. So yeah, today or before we continue, I'm just going to say I'm going to introduce what we're going to learn today. We are going to learn about animals. Wow, we have done so much, we have learned a lot and so many other things, but one thing we haven't learned is animals. How do we call some of the animals in Kikuyu? We have domestic animals, we have wild animals, we have pets. How do we call these animals in Kikuyu? I just realized, wow, I have never done this. I haven't had this lesson, and yeah, there we go. This is the opportunity and this is where we're going to learn. So keep tuned, take your cup of coffee, your cup of tea, your drink, wherever you are, and let's get started. Now, the first animal we're going to learn, I'm going to go very random from wild to domestic to pets, and that's it. So we're going to start with 10 animals. We are going to start with only 10 animals for today, and maybe next time we can go further and more into details. So the first animal we have is a cow. How do I call a cow in Kikuyu? A cow is called ngobe. Ngobe. A cow is called ngobe. Ngobe. Now, if I want to say, that's a cow, that's a cow, that's a cow, how do I say that? Eo ne ngobe. Eo ne ngobe. Eo ne ngobe. Now, how do I call a calf? We have the young one of a cow. How do I call that? That's called Jao. Jao. That's the calf. The calf is called Jao. That's the young one of a cow. Jao or Rashao. Rashao. Jao or Rashao. Now, we have the female and even the male part of the cow, but I'm not going into details. What we're going to learn is the young one and the cow. That's it. Now the other animal we have is a goat. How do I call a goat in Kikuyu? A goat is called bori. 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 Eone bori. That's a goat. Eone bori. That's a goat. Bori. 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 Now, How do I call a sheep? A sheep is called ngodu. 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 Ĩyo nĩ ng'ondu. Ĩyo nĩ ng'ondu. That's a sheep. That's a sheep. Ĩyo nĩ ng'ondu. I can ask my grandfather, my dad, I don't know, my farmer, whoever. How many sheep do you have? Wĩna ng'ondu cigana? Wĩna ng'ondu cigana? How many? Wĩna how many? Ng'ondu, sheep, cigana. Like how many? Now he or she can say, I have 2 sheep or 5 sheep or many sheep. Ndĩna ng'ondu igĩrĩ. Ndĩna ng'ondu igĩrĩ. I have 2 sheep. Ndĩna, I have ng'ondu, sheep igĩrĩ, 2. I can say, or he or she can answer, I have a lot of sheep. Ndĩna ng'ondu nyingĩ. Ndĩna ng'ondu nyingĩ. Ndĩna ng'ondu nyingĩ. Ndĩna ng'ondu nyingĩ. I have, ndĩna ng'ondu, sheep nyingĩ, many. Ndĩna ng'ondu nyingĩ. Or he or she can say, I have many cows. Ndĩna ng'ombe nyingĩ. Ndĩna, I have ng'ombe, cows nyingĩ, a lot or many. Ndĩna ng'ombe nyingĩ. Ndĩna ng'ombe nyingĩ. Now let's go ahead and get to know the animals. Now the other animal we have is the cat. How do we call a cat in Kikuyu? Kanyau. Kanyau. Or if there are many, tonyau. Tonyau. Kanyau, 1. Many, tonyau. 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 Kanyau. Tonyau. Now, the next one is a dog. How do I call a dog? A dog is called Gui. Gui. Now, whether there are many or whether it's 1, it's still Gui. Okay. Sorry. No. You can say as well when there are many, Magui. Magui. Gui, 1. Many, Magui. Now, if I want to say, the dog is barking. The dog is barking. How do I say that? Gui nera koga. Gui nera koga. Gui nera koga. Woo, woo, woo. The dog is barking. Barking meaning gokoga. Gokoga. Gui, dog. Gui nera koga. Yeah, that's how we say the dog is barking. Now, the other one we are going to learn is, we have already learned ngodu. We said it's a sheep. We said it's a sheep. So how do I call a goat? What is the name of a goat? A goat is called body. Body. 1 goat, body. Many goats, body. Body, 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 body. Now, in the Kikuyu tradition, or in the Kenyan community, or in the Kenyan tradition, it's very common when people are on their festive season, they celebrate and eat goat meat. Now, if I want to say, are we going to slaughter a goat, or can we slaughter a goat, or I want to mean something with slaughtering the goat. cutting down the goat, like killing the goat. Gotheja bori, gotheja bori, gotheja is that act of the slaughtering the animal or the goat. Gotheja bori. Now, if you're going for a rorashio, could be you want to marry a woman from the Kikuyu side, and there's probably going to be a festive, it's gonna be a festive activity, so people will eat, drink. So it's very common that they will eat goat meat, or they will eat, could be even cow's meat, whatever. But how do we call that act of slaughtering? Godeja bori. Now we can, after we've been to that rorashio or that dowry occasion, we can say we ate a goat, or we ate goat meat. Torareire bori. Torareire bori. We ate goat or goat meat. Korea nyama ya bori. Korea nyama ya bori. Korea is eating nyama, meat, ya bori. Bori, we said goat. That's how we say it. Now, the other animal we're going to learn is chicken or hen or chicks. Like, how do we call poultry or chicken? How do we call poultry? Now, chicken are called goko. Goko, or poultry is called goko. This is being specific to chicken. Goko. Now, how do I call the young one of a chicken? How do I call the young one of a chicken? It's called a chick in English. In Kikuyu, gashui, 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 gashui. That's the young one. How do I call the male chicken? Jogo, jogo. Now, what if I say slaughter the cock? Veja jogo, slaughter. We can slaughter that because we want to eat it. We want to celebrate. We want to anything. Veja, which we said is slaughtering or to slaughter. Jogo, that's the cock, the male chicken. Jogo. How do I call the female chicken? It's called muera. 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 It's that female chicken that lays the egg and also gives to brings forth to those chicks. Muera. Now, so, and chicken gives us eggs. How do I say? It lay the chicken, or the chicken laid the egg. Goko neshirare kirie matube. Korekia is to lay the egg. Egg, matube, or itube. Itube is one egg. Matube, many egg. Korekia, matube. Korekia, itube. Korekia, lay. Itube, one egg. Korekia, itube. Korekia, matube. When there are many. Laying eggs. Laying an egg. The hen or the chicken laid the egg. The chicken laid the egg. Goko nerare kirie or neare kia itube. Goko neshiare kia matube, when there are many. It's a bit complicated, but we're going to deal with that. Now let's go ahead and learn something else. How do I call a rabbit in Kikuyu? A rabbit is called boko. Boko. That's very easy. Boko. That's how we call a rabbit in Kikuyu. Now, the other animal we are going to learn is a pig. How do we call a pig in Kikuyu? A pig is called goroe. Goroe. Now, how do I call pig's meat or pork? Nyama ya goroe. Nyama ya goroe. Nyama ya goroe. How do I call cow's meat? Nyama ya ng'ombe. How do I call goat's meat? Nyama ya bori. Nyama ya bori. You always add nyama and then continue with the animal, the word of that animal. So the other animal, it's not wild, it's not domestic, it doesn't live in our houses, even though people have it as a pet. Some of the people, most probably not in our African culture, but in the Western culture. The other animal is a snake. How do we call a snake in Kikuyu? A snake is called nyoka. 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 That's a snake. How do I say that's a snake? Eo ni nyoka. Eo ni nyoka. Or I can say, I saw a snake. I saw a snake. Nidona. I have seen a snake. Nidona nyoka. Nidona, I have seen a snake. Or nidironire. Nidironire, I saw, the past tense. Nidironire nyoka. Nidironire nyoka. Now, how do we, let's go ahead to the last animal. And the last animal we have is a spider. Many people are very, very cautious with spiders, and they have a phobia of spiders, or they don't like, you know what I mean, they don't like spiders. So how do we call a spider in Kikuyu? A spider is called boboy. Boboy. Now I want to say, that's a spider. That's a spider on the wall. Eo ne boboy e rodhigoine. Eo ne boboy e rodhigoine. Eo, that's a spider. Ne boboy, that's a spider. E rodhigoine, it's on the wall. Eo ne boboy e rodhigoine. Eo ne boboy e rodhigoine. That's a spider on the wall. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being part of this channel. I hope you are able to learn something from me, and if not, let me know down there in the comments section below. So we're going to end this channel right here. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like where it's give me a like where I deserve, or even write me a critic where you think you feel you have to get that critic outside there. So yeah, without wasting much time, thank you again. Thank you so much. Let me know what you would like me to bring outside there in this channel, and what you would like to let me also teach you, or give me ideas. Let's be active, let's share ideas, and yeah, that's how we can keep growing and keep helping each other. So have a good night, have a blessed evening, and take care of yourselves, and till we meet again, goodbye and bye.